The world is buzzing with news of the new Xbox Series X reveal, the new Xbox being released next year, the Scarlet, as we came to know it as, was finally revealed at the Game Awards yesterday. So let's have a look and then let's talk a little bit about it.
Let's suppose that you were able every night to dream any dream you wanted to dream. And that you could have the power within one night to dream 75 years of time. And you would naturally, as you began on this adventure of dreams, fulfill all your wishes. But now let's have a surprise. Let's have a dream which isn't under control. And then you would get more and more adventurous. And you would make further and further out gambles as to what you would dream. And finally, you would dream where you are now.
So, what did you think? The first thing that came to my mind when I saw it was, where am I going to put that? Because it's a huge sort of oblong bit of plastic. It's certainly not knowing the sizes, but going on the size of the controller, I can't see, even having it on its side, whether that would fit in my cabinet. It's certainly a big chunk of just a big oblong box with a grill at the end. It's not the most imaginative. I guess it's functional. I'm pretty sure that it's going to be one of those devices that I'm going to have to sort of, because it won't fit in my cabinet, that I'm going to have to locate it outside of it. And it's going to look a little bit weird. Yeah, so I don't know really what I think about it. I don't know really what I was expecting. I was expecting more, something that was a bit more, because the current design of the Xbox One X and the Xbox One is brilliant. I think the form factor, how that all fits in, it's just brilliant. I think that's ideal, and it fits in a cabinet. This, I'm not too sure. There's no sort of word on dimensions, but just going on the controller alone and putting that next to it, it really does feel that it's an odd choice to go for. So maybe just Microsoft really want you to have it out and proud, so to speak. So what are your thoughts? It's certainly interesting. It's great to see a next-gen console finally out in the wild in terms of, the reveal. But in terms of the design, I don't know. I really don't know. It's going to be interesting now to see what Sony do, whether they're going to release anything. Probably not in the near future. Certainly, probably maybe February next year, maybe. Certainly by spring we'll get something from Sony, but yeah, it makes you wonder what Sony are going to do. It makes you wonder what Sony think of that. It makes you wonder what the gaming community think of that. And that's your chance to let me know, because I think it's a little bit disappointing. Still going to buy one, yeah. Still going to be fabulous, of course. but yeah, where am I going to put it? Let me know your thoughts. Subscribe if you've not. Click the bell if you haven't. Give me a thumbs up because that's cool and that helps my channel. Thanks again. See you soon. Bye-bye.